Quick heads up, click the link in the description below for the HostGator discount. Your future website will thank you. I thought HostGator coupons were a scam until I accidentally clicked one. And before you roll your eyes and click away, check the link in the description below because what I found might actually save you some serious cash on web hosting. So there I was, doom scrolling at 2 a.m. like a responsible adult when my clumsy fingers hit this HostGator ad. I was about to close it faster than my browser closes when I have too many tabs open, but something made me pause. The discount was actually legitimate, like genuinely real savings, not some save 5 cents on your first month nonsense. We're talking up to 60% off hosting plans, which for someone like me who's been paying full price like a chump was pretty eye-opening. Here's the thing about HostGator. They're not just some fly-by-night hosting company. They've been around since 2002, hosting millions of websites with 24/7 support that actually responds. Their shared hosting starts at just a few bucks a month, and with these coupons, it gets even cheaper. I used the link to pull up the live offers. And yeah, it's legit. You can even save on higher power plans if you need more control. Whether you're starting a blog, launching an online store, or finally building that website you've been procrastinating about for months, reliable hosting is basically the foundation of everything. And HostGator's uptime is solid. Your site won't disappear into the digital void when people actually want to visit it. The best part? These aren't those sketchy deals. Heads up, big savings are for your first term, then renewals are at regular rates, so lock in the term that fits you. The savings actually make sense, and you're not locked into some weird contract that requires a law degree to understand. So, yeah, sometimes accidentally clicking ads pays off. Check that link in the description below and see what deals are available right now. Your wallet will thank you later. One more time, tap the link in the description to grab your HostGator discount or special offer. Build the site, save the money, sleep better.